Vocab with Aileen, where we discover amazing words and become world champions.
Yay!
Are you ready for today's fun word? Okay, so the word of the day is knackered. Knackered. What does it mean? Knackered means very tired. Like extremely exhausted.
Oh my
It's
God.
like when your energy tank is completely empty. It's a British word that people use when they feel super exhausted after doing something busy or active.
Uh-oh.
Like if you have been running, playing, dancing, studying, or helping at home all day, and you feel like you just want to lie down and rest. You're knackered. Let's see how we can use it in a sentence. I was completely knackered after my football practice. Or walked around the zoo all day and now I'm knackered. Phew. Quick tip! Knackered is mostly used in British English, and it's best to use it in casual conversation with friends and family.
Wow!
And that's our word for today.
Amazing.
Next time you feel super duper tired, you can say I'm knackered. And that's all for today. So friends, keep learning, keep shining, and keep growing your vocabulary one full word at a time.
Yay!
See you in the next episode of Vocab with Aileen. Bye, Word Stars!